If you are looking for a quality commercial roofing contractor, Rochester, New York, is the place to go. There are many different options, including Giordano Roofing, exceptional exteriors, and all-state roofing more. Read on to find out more about them and how they can benefit you. Also, check out their customer service ratings to see how satisfied their customers are. You'll be glad you did. Exceptional Exteriors is a commercial roofing contractor. Exceptional Exteriors is a company with over 30 years of experience and has created specialized teams for certain types of projects. The company has multiple crews for residential projects that are highly experienced and dedicated to their craft. These professionals focus on their craft to ensure the highest quality results for any residential project. If you are looking for a commercial roofing contractor in Rochester, New York, Exceptional Exteriors may be the right choice. Exceptional Exteriors Incorporated, a general contracting firm located in Rochester, New York, specializes in roofing, siding, gutters, and windows. Its president, Daryl P. Sadwick, has over 30 years of experience and has developed teams to focus on a specific type of project. Each crew focuses on their own craft to create the best results for each residential project. Giordano is a commercial roofing contractor. If your commercial building's roof is damaged and you're looking for a Rochester, New York roofing contractor, look no further than Giordano Roof Replacement Restoration. With their specialized services, you can expect expert repairs and complete restoration of all types of roofs. You can rely on Giordano Roof Restoration for all your roofing needs, from metal roofing to insulation. You can also count on Giordano for emergency roof repairs, too. Giordano is a Rochester, New York roofing contractor that specializes in all aspects of roofing and gutter services. The company's range of services includes roof replacement, attic insulation, ventilation, and emergency roof repairs. They offer free estimates and are experienced in all kinds of roofing systems. If you're in need of commercial roofing, contact Giordano today for a free estimate. Exceptional Exteriors. With over 30 years of experience in the construction and home improvement industry, Daryl Sadwick founded Exceptional Exteriors. He has trained his team to focus on specific projects, so each crew can deliver the best results possible. Daryl has established several crews with specialized skills, each one concentrating on their craft and delivering the best results for each residential or commercial project. Daryl and his team are proud to serve Rochester, New York and the surrounding area. Exceptional Exteriors was founded by Daryl Sadwick, who has over 30 years of experience in the commercial and residential roofing industry. Daryl uses quality materials to complete each project with a high level of craftsmanship and attention to detail. The company also provides regular maintenance and inspections to its customers to ensure that their roofs are performing properly. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.